So what differentiate Islamic banking from commercial banking? Basically, these are the key features of Islamic banking or rules for Islamic banking per Sharia law. Sharia is the center of Islamic economy. All laws, regulations, standards are derived directly through interpretation from Sharia. What is Sharia? Sharia literally means the path to the watering place. However, in our context, Sharia means commands, rules, guidance, prohibitions, and principles. There is a guidance clearly stated in Quran and Sunnah. Sunnah is the act and statement of Holy Prophet, which is called Sharia. Interpretation of jurisprudence of Quran and Sunnah is called Fiqh. These two combined are the sources for Sharia law. Sharia has five branches. Ibadah, Ibadah means worship, abda, morals and manners, itikadab, beliefs, ukubad, consequences or punishment. The fifth one, muhadlad, which means transaction, contract, businesses, and this branches is the basis for rules and guidelines for Islamic banking. Five key features of Islamic banking, which basically differentiate Islamic banking and its operating models from conventional bankings, are prohibition of riba, macer, garar, prohibition of dealing, investing in unlawful goods and services. All transactions should be based on justice and equity. Riba can translate to usury or interest. These There are multiple quotes from the Quran and Ahadith which clearly prohibits iba, and it's not just Islam. Other religions prohibit interests as well. And there are valid reasons. It's not just and have negative impacts on morals and social values of society. It ruins social values and community relations. It increases divide between poor and rich. Rich get richer while the poor get poorer. Prohibition of gharar. Lack of knowledge or uncertainty. Gharar refers to the issues such as pricing, delivery, quantity, and quality of assets that are transaction based and could affect the degree or quality of consent of the parties to a contract. This lack of knowledge may arise from misrepresentation, mistake, fraud, duress, or terms beyond the knowledge and control of one of the parties to the contract. Prohibition of macer. Gambling. Gambling is a zero-sum game, which creates no additional values to society. Gambling games of chance or speculations are forbidden. Unlawful Unlawful goods and services. Reba, Garar, and Macer, free economy, also need to avoid dealing in unlawful goods and services. The goods and services which are prohibited in Sharia, examples of such includes non-halal food, intoxicating drinks, drugs, pornography. It is not only trading of these goods and services is prohibited, investing in the business who then invest in these goods and services is prohibited as well. In a nutshell, Islamic finance have to be certain of the origin and use of their deposit and investments. Justice and equity based. Establishment of justice and equity is the paramount of Islamic economy. Islamic finance promotes social justice and equity in the society. Justice and equity in business or partnership requires that all parties involved should contribute cash, assets, or work and bear or share the risk in the business. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel.